Welcome everyone to the Rigor presentation and as part of the OTC 2019, and thank you to the Expert Development Canada for providing us with this wonderful venue. So Rigor is a flagship product of the company that's called Belkasoft. We originate in Calgary, Alberta. Our mission and vision for the oilfield services and rental businesses in the world are the paperless enterprise, the custom solutions and integration. So that's what Rigor does. We do the cloud solution for the oilfield rentals and service companies. Having realized that the problem is such as the days of sales outstanding, we have come up with a solution that helps to deal with the major pain point of the delay between when you get the job order to when you get paid. And the only way to deal with that is to avoid the paper information transfer, but digitize all the processes in the services and the rentals, and bring everybody in the company under one roof. And I'm going to pass the microphone to Michael, our CEO, who's going to talk about what's new in Rigor.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our Rigor presentation. Today we're in Houston and we present 6.5 Houston. Rigor 6.5, we have three new modules. HR, so human resources, which gives an opportunity to track all the employees' hours with rates. And operating cost. The operating cost gives you the overview of the granular detailed information about cost profitability of every single unit. The unit maintenance, another thing which very important for rental companies. They'd like to know how the unit and when the unit needs to be maintained and in what period. And the next additions are like general improvements of user interfaces and reports. And another addition is a free new mobile applications, purchases, sales, and operations, which gives you the ability to filtering particular roles in the company and connect particular roles to the cloud, to the office. Our full webinar will be held on May 23rd, 1 p.m. Central Time, and we will present our new version there. Thank you so much, and join us at the webinar.